Applications of animal models in research. This discussion focuses on how animals are used in both basic and applied research to advance science, medicine, and safety testing. Animal models are living systems that help scientists understand biological processes similar to those in humans. They're important because they allow researchers to study diseases, test new drugs, and evaluate product safety, all before moving to human trials. By providing ethical and controlled alternatives to direct human testing, animal models bridge the gap between laboratory research and clinical application. In basic research, animals are used to explore how living systems function. For example, mice and rats help us study genetics and brain activity, while zebrafish are used to observe embryonic development. These findings become the scientific foundation for later medical breakthroughs. In applied research, animals are used to solve real-world problems such as developing medicines, vaccines, or surgical methods. They help researchers ensure that treatments are safe and effective before being used in humans. Let's look at several examples of how animal models are used in applied research. First is for genetic diseases. Mice are modified to mimic disorders like cystic fibrosis or muscular dystrophy, helping in gene therapy studies. Virology. Ferrets and macaques are used to test vaccines and antivirals for diseases such as influenza, HIV, and COVID-19. Neurological disorders, rats and mice model Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases, helping to develop neuroprotective drugs. For organ transplantation, pigs and primates are used to study organ rejection and transplant success rates. For drug testing and toxicology, rodents and rabbits are used to determine safe dosages and identify harmful effects of chemicals. And lastly, for cosmetic testing, historically, used rabbits and guinea pigs for irritation tests, but now being replaced by in vitro and computer-based alternatives. While animal models are essential for progress, ethical standards must be observed. Researchers follow the 3Rs principle: replacement, reduction, and refinement. To minimize animal suffering and use alternative methods whenever possible, many cosmetic tests, for example, are now conducted using reconstructed human skin or digital simulations. To summarize, animal models contribute to nearly every aspect of science, from understanding genetics to ensuring drug safety. They remain critical tools for learning and discovery, even as technology introduces new, humane alternatives. Animal models have been key to medical progress. By combining responsible animal use with innovative non-animal methods, science continues to advance ethically and effectively.